Sled Fest here in Cook City. These guys are flat hucking it. Crazy stuff. That thing is like 8 feet tall. Duncan says go to Canada and you'll get a good shot. What do you think, Duncan? Duncan's been here before. I have not.
I have not been here before.
You have not?
First time.
Oh, I thought you had.
No, first time, and so far it's fighting the good.
Look at this. Jack Sarma.
In the house.
Look at that ramp. Good God.
This is Jack.
And tell us what to do. They make it their way, so they always win, and the others always lose. Street gangs and madmen, how they wage their private wars.
Cody Hunt checking out the action.
Sick.
Sledfest 26.
Yeah, these boys are out here sending it. We're taking treetops off and we're just going to the basement.
Look at
Too much, too young, too fast. I'm gonna drink it out while it lasts. Too much, too young, too fast. I'm gonna tear it out, so fill my glass.
Cook City Sledfest carnage coming at you live from Corey Wolf. When he blows a clutch, he blows a clutch.
Too much, too young, too fast. I'm gonna drink it out while it lasts. Too much, too young, too fast. I'm gonna tear it out, so fill my glass.
Oh my God. What happens when Minnesota and Wisconsin? Is it both? All right, Minnesota and Wisconsin bring the big rowdy 136-inch-and-a-half luggers up to Cook City. I like these guys. I'd buy them all a beer tonight, but they don't look old enough to drink.
I can drink.